This video will show you how to use the Countif function, create bar and pie charts, and calculate the relative or percentage frequencies. The first thing I'm going to do is create a column indicating the different types of labels or classes that we have. In this case, it's the different shows. So that I don't have to retype the different show names, I am going to link back to the names that are provided in the initial list. So I'm going to create sections for Desperate Housewives, Without a Trace, CSI, and Law and Order. Next, I'm going to use the Countif function to determine the relative frequency for each of these. So equals Countif, the range is this entire data set, comma, I want to count if it's Desperate Housewives. Now I want to make sure that this Countif, this television show list, remains constant, so I'm going to do that by putting in the dollar signs. Now when I scroll over here, I can drag down and it will count each of these, changing only the target cell, what I want to count at the end. In order to make sure that I have calculated everything correctly, I will calculate the sum to make sure that I have included all of these. And I knew that I had 50 observations, so the fact that that adds up to 50, it alerts me to the fact that it is in fact correct. Now I want to calculate the percentage of each of these observations. So equals 13 out of 50 preferred Desperate Housewives, which is 26%. Since my denominator will remain the same, I will put in dollar signs here as well. And then I can drag this down to calculate my percentage and drag over to make sure that I do in fact add up to 100%. Next, I'm going to make my graphs. So I will highlight the names of my show, hit Control, highlight my percentages, go to Insert, Column, we'll make my bar chart, click another screen, or anywhere on the screen other than in there, highlight, hit Control again when I'm highlighting this, hit Insert, Pie Chart, and I have created a pie chart.